ladies and gentlemen, Wunder. Hi, I'm Brian, and I'm a recovering VC. Today I want to talk to you, investor to investor. In the last 5 years, companies like AngelList and Lending Club have opened new and lucrative opportunities for investors like us. They took complex asset classes and democratized them, allowing anyone to participate in a dead simple way. We're taking a page from their playbooks, but applying it to a brand new market. Solar. I'm not talking about funding solar panels or R&D. I'm talking about owning solar facilities on top of commercial real estate, like shopping malls, office parks, and warehouses. And today, with the launch of Wunder, any accredited investor can now participate in this asset class. In fact, investors are loving it. In just 2 days since launch, our first fund has had over $500,000 reserved. These investors will earn great returns while building the next generation of clean, renewable power. Let me walk you through how we do it. It starts with finding projects. So we've built a national network of over 50 installers that bring us existing projects that simply need financing to be completed. These projects struggle to get funding from traditional sources because banks don't have systems in place to analyze solar projects quickly and efficiently. In fact, these installer partners have brought us more than $60 million in qualified commercial solar projects in just the last 3 months. Our sophisticated algorithms look at everything across every project we receive, from solar irradiance to rooftop conditions to local regulations to shading characteristics and much, much more. This software approach to diligence allows us to assess opportunities faster and more accurately than anything else in the solar market today. We then take the very best of these projects and group them into funds, diversifying our investor risk across customers and geographies. When you select a fund, you can dive into the details and understand the projects, the financials, and the legal that underlie it. Once you've decided to invest, we make it dead simple with our elegant e-signature process. After a fund's been raised, each solar project is installed and maintained by our top-tier installer partners. We don't do the ongoing operations or maintenance. But every month, as the system owner, we bill the commercial tenant for their power consumed. We generate electricity and they pay for it. It's like a utility, but much, much easier. We then take those energy revenues and we distribute our investors their pro rata share directly into their bank accounts through a simple ACH integration. We've cracked the code on delivering much more compelling returns than others who've tried in this market. How? Because we invest in software, not in manufacturing or complex deal structures. And Wunder's putting its money where its mouth is, because our business model is sitting right alongside our investors in every fund. Why now? Because after 30 years of consistent cost decreases, solar energy is now cheaper than a traditional utility in more and more places. The time for solar is now. But don't take my word for it. Look at what the most sophisticated investors in the world are doing. Goldman Sachs has committed $40 billion to this market. Berkshire Hathaway has already invested $15 billion, and Warren Buffett recently said they'll keep investing as far as the eye can see. And Google, they invested $1 billion just last year. With these large investors piling in, the market for solar installations is exploding. We are the team to democratize solar investing. We know how to drive returns for investors because I was one. Our head of product, Sam, brings expertise from Facebook, the Department of Defense, and Blackstone. And our CTO, Dave, joins us directly from the Department of Energy's top national lab. With Wunder solar funds, investors earn great returns and businesses save money on their power every month. Join us today at wondercapital.com, and together, let's build the power sources that our grandkids will thank us for.
Yeah!